I am Tamil Shelvi, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So, in our traffic engineering, power performance of vehicles. Power performance of vehicles. A knowledge of power performance of vehicle is necessary to determine the vehicle running cost and the geometric design elements like grades. The power developed by the engine should be sufficient to overcome all resistance to motion at the desired speed and to acceleration at any desired rate to the desired speed. The force have to be overcome for this purpose. So rolling resistance, air resistance, grade resistance, inertia forces during acceleration and deceleration, transmission losses. So this is the force acting on a vehicle. So here on the road was one vehicle is moving, Pi is equal to mg into I. So Pj is equal to ma. So in the opposite direction of the motion, Pp is the direction of motion. So this is I is the angle, Pa is the opposite, the force acting on the opposite direction of the motion. So now the road user characteristics or human factors affecting the transportation. Road users can be defined as drivers, passengers, pedestrians who use the streets and highways. The physical, mental and emotional characteristics of human beings affect their ability to operate motor vehicle safety or to survive as a pedestrian. The various factors which affect road users' characteristics may be broadly classified: physical characteristics, mental characteristics, psychological characteristics and environmental characteristics. So road user characteristics. So the physical characteristics of the road users may be either permanent or temporary. The physical characteristics are the vision, hearing, strength and the general reaction to traffic situation. So in the vision, the perception reaction time depends greatly on the effectiveness of driver's vision in preserving the object and traffic control measures. The PIEV time will be decreased if the vision is clear and accurate. Visual acuity relates to the field of clearest vision. The most acute vision, that is vision acuity or cone of vision, is within cone of 3 to 5 degrees, fairly clear visions within 10 to 12 degrees, and the peripheral vision will be within 120 to 180 degrees. This is important when traffic signs and signals are placed, but other factors like dynamic visual acuity, depth perception and etc. should also be considered for accurate design. So mental characteristics. So knowledge, skill, intelligence, experience and literacy can affect the road user characteristics. So knowledge of vehicle characteristics, traffic behavior, driving practice, rules of road and psychology of road users will be quite useful for safe traffic operation. Understanding the traffic regulations and the special instruction and timely action depends on intelligence and literacy. So the reaction certain traffic situations become more spontaneous with experience. Physical, psychological characteristics, these affect reaction to traffic situation of road users to a great extent. The emotional factors such as attentiveness, fear, anger, superstitions, impatience, general attitude towards traffic and regulations and maturity also come under this. Environmental characteristics, the environmental factors like weather, visibility and other atmospheric condition, the various environmental conditions affecting the behavior of road user or traffic stream characteristics, facilities to the traffic, atmospheric conditions and the locality. So these are all the characteristics of the traffic engineering.